Voting systems are, by design, meant to be used as closed systems that are not networked, meaning they are not connected to the internet. There is no internet connectivity at all. They are not designed to be connected to the outside world through either an internet connection or any other external connectivity device.
Do we have these passwords in the system?
Not the devil's passwords.
What's that?
The state just keep them.
The state won't let us have our own password?
Not the devil's passwords.
Does Dominion have any way to remotely access any of the information on any of the equipment or have remote access within the machines themselves?
No.
Does anybody have access to the best of your knowledge?
No.
You're connected to the internet.
Right.
You plug and say, well, this one has wireless,
Right.
but the devices
Are grayed out.
they're not checked.
Oh, I see.
So they're disabled.
Okay. So, but you'd be able to go in and do that though, right?
Yeah.
By unlocking it and putting the password in?